Hello my lovelies and welcome back to my channel. This is Leanne from Resin Creations. I hope you are all doing well. In today's video I will show you how I made these brown and kind of kingfisher blue resin coasters. So I'll be using these two pigments, mica powders and mineral flakes from Resin 8. So I have premixed my resin, and my resin is from Just For You Online UK, and it is with a purple label. So first things first, as usual, I am dividing my resin and adding mica pigment. I have noticed recently that few resin artists use these colors like brown and blue together, so I decided to try as well. Yes, because for sure I would never thought to put these two together. So I started with this, I think it's called Kingfisher Blue, but I felt that it was too green and I decided to add a bit blue as well. And the second is a lovely brown color from Just For You Online UK. I will add exact name in the description down below, but is really beautiful shimmery brown color. Mix it very well together. If you are enjoying this video so far, please click a like, and if you like videos about resin and everything connected with resin, consider to subscribe. I do upload twice a week, every Wednesday and Saturday, so there is always something new to see. Thank you. And now I am adding my mineral flakes in a little bit of resin, just so I can mix them and all the bubbles rises, so I have less bubbles in the end. So now it's time to pour, and I was arguing with myself for quite a bit with which color to start, and in the end decided that it's going to be brown. So I'm going to put some music for you now and let you enjoy this pouring part and come back to you in a bit. So you just saw me using my heat gun and pop the bubbles. And you know what? I have found that it works better than blowtorch. So yeah, that's a little discovery of mine today. And now I'm adding my mineral flakes in the middle. And after that, I will go over with my blowtorch again, and then I let them to do its magic and to cure. And here is the resin doing its magic and moving around. So this is next day, 24 hours later, and they are ready to come out. I'm super excited how they will turn out, and wow, not too shabby. But to be frank, I wasn't expecting this result at all. I'm not sure what I was expecting, but not this. So I decided that I will give a go to these colors once again in very near future, and I will try different technique and we'll see how they blend, because in here they didn't really blend that much how I imagined they would. But yes, I'm happy with the result. So now I will finish them off by painting gold edges, and I'll show you right here the end result. And I am really happy how they turn out. So if you found this video useful and entertaining, please let me know by leaving comment down below. But for now, I'm saying goodbye. Until next time, keep creating. Bye.